What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another Adeline Garage Tech Tip. So, if your passenger side footwell is full of water on your Nissan Titan, here's why and how to fix it. So I've noticed the last couple weeks, every time it rains, the floorboard of the Titan ends up filling up with water. On the passenger side over here. What it appears like, it's coming from this general vicinity, probably the AC drain line here, and then it just kind of pulls down and ends up getting the carpet kind of soaking wet, as you can see here. So, how to fix that, there's actually a drain that comes out of the, hopefully you guys can see that, comes out of the firewall of the truck right here. And as you can see, there's water in there. So what actually happens is this either gets clogged or isn't long enough, or the insides ends up degrading a little bit, and the water ends up pouring inside the cab rather than out of the truck. So what we're going to do is we're going to pop this off and then replace it with some of these components over here. So, if you guys want to take a look at these part numbers, it's essentially a 90-degree and then a heater hose connector, and I went ahead and picked up a random line, a random hose that actually we're going to use that at some point on the Coyote build. So what we are going to do is go ahead and pop this off and see what's behind there. So I just popped the hose off, and as you guys can see, if this actually zooms into the right place, there you go, that is soaking wet. So what we're going to end up doing is taking that little 90-degree piece, putting it over this, and then running it back down instead of it dribbling back into the cabin, which, as you guys can see, is soaking wet. So that will solve the draining issue with that. So we'll go ahead and get started. But what I ended up doing is I put the 90-degree and then the heater hose connector, and then just a little bit of hose. And what I'm going to do is put this into the truck and then actually put this over it so it looks like stock. I mean, granted, you don't really need to do anything else besides put this in there, but I thought it'd be nice to kind of give it the stock look, and it'll keep it off of the exhaust manifold. Alright, so as you guys can see, the 90 is in there and we're all set. I'll go ahead and put this over the or inside of the stock tube, and we'll button her back up. Alright, so actually what I did is I just took that 90-degree piece off, put it on, and then put it inside, and it looks like that 90-degree piece goes past where the water is seeping back in, so that should do it. I guess I'll go ahead and show the part number real quick of that piece. So this is what I used, 47028. It was just a 90-degree fitting, and the smaller side of that fitting plugged right into that little hole there. So I guess we will see what happens with the truck in the next coming rainstorm. So I'll keep you guys posted. Thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing. If you haven't already, hit the subscribe button down below, and we'll see you guys next time. Bye.